Swimming is widely recognized as beneficial for both physical and mental well-being. The positive impact of swimming on the human body cannot be overstated. Moreover, swimming has very few drawbacks and contraindications, making it accessible for anyone to start from the beginning. In this video, I will explain what happens to your body when you swim daily. Therefore, stay tuned until the end, as it promises to be engaging. Let's dive in. Swimming serves as an excellent workout for burning fat. Engaging in swimming activates numerous muscle groups while allowing for prolonged low-intensity exertion, which initiates the process of using fat as energy. In the pool, one can maintain a heart rate within the aerobic zone for an extended period, with fatigue setting in much later compared to activities like running. However, this requires a commitment to active and consistent training. It is advantageous to approach swimming from a competitive perspective. Aim to swim for 45 minutes, or preferably a full hour, without lengthy breaks, focusing on crawl or brisk breaststroke. Swimming is an outstanding form of exercise. While some view swimming merely as a supplementary activity or leisure, competitive swimming can certainly become the primary sport for even casual enthusiasts. Training 4 to 5 times a week for an hour and a half in a chosen swimming style can lead to a fit physique and a resilient body. Swimming works every muscle in the body. Each stroke targets specific muscle groups, yet overall, the entire body remains engaged. During the breaststroke, the primary muscles worked are in the legs, including the thighs, glutes, and calves. The butterfly stroke demands significant strength in the arms and torso. The crawl is a versatile stroke that engages various muscles. Regardless of the style, all these techniques require coordinated muscle activity from the arms, back, core, and legs throughout the strokes to keep the body afloat. Swimming enhances the cardiovascular system. While the muscles are at work, the internal organs are equally active. The cardiovascular system benefits significantly, as swimming strengthens the heart. Swimming workouts improve aerobic capacity, enhance heart rate, and boost overall heart efficiency. Swimming also trains the lungs. The benefits to the respiratory system from swimming are backed by scientific evidence. Strong inhalations, exhalations, and breath control develop the diaphragm and chest muscles while expanding lung capacity. Additionally, swimming contributes to increasing bone density. Although less impactful than running, swimming still enhances bone mineral density, resulting in stronger bones. Furthermore, swimming improves flexibility. The act of swimming requires the body to push against water resistance. The strokes and movements demand flexibility and simultaneously help increase muscle elasticity. Swimming promotes movement coordination and mobility. It necessitates the simultaneous coordination of multiple muscle groups across the body. By counting strokes and breaths mentally, swimming becomes a fantastic training method for enhancing coordination, functional movement, and cognitive skills. Swimming may even support intelligence development. Swimming is beneficial for joints and the spine. Water is significantly denser than air, which makes the body weigh less when submerged. This buoyancy minimizes compression, thus reducing the strain on joints and ligaments. Swimming aids in strengthening the spine and improving posture by alleviating the load on the spine, skeleton, and bones, while also working to evenly strengthen the back muscles and core. Swimming helps alleviate stress. Although there is a lack of purely scientific studies in this area, the claim that swimming alleviates stress is widely accepted. Researchers believe swimming can be a highly effective method for quick stress relief. By the way, be sure to check out other videos on this channel. The links are currently displayed on your screen. See you soon.